Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the complete detox apple beetroot carrot juice. For this, I've taken one complete bowl of chopped apples, carrots, and beetroots. You can see here that I've chopped them nice and small. Please ensure you wash the vegetables thoroughly before cutting them. The complete quantity can be about a bowl depending on how much juice we are trying to extract. Now we take this bowl of apple, beetroot and carrots and put it into a mixer jar. We add a glass of water until the vegetables submerge. Now you can see after running it through the grinder, I'm actually running it through a sieve so that all the hard particles come out. I then add some lemon juice to this, add some salt, some pepper, and then some dried ginger powder. I will then top it up with a spoon of honey. Honey is completely optional and we can also do without it. Now the ABC juice for weight loss is ready to be had.